This is Ladonia Randall, CM332, Computer Applications and Communications. In this recording, I'll be showing you how to insert the document title from page 16, then on page 17, how to insert the metadata, and then continuing on page 19, how to add comments to the document. So, from the CT underscore about.html file that we created, I am going to open my old file. Open that file we just created. There we go. So let's insert our document title. So directly after the opening head tag, we're going to insert our title element, less than sign title, close it off, and then we're going to type about curbside, curbside tie, and then close off the title element. Be sure you save your files as you go along, just in case the electricity goes off or your computer fails, you still have that document saved, your document saved. The title text that appears in the browser title bar or on the browser tab is within that title element. So let me save it. If I open that file back up in our browser, I'm going to go to my dataset file, because in the video before we created that CT underscore about file. Remember that file you downloaded from the companion website was a ping file. That was an image file. So that's why it has the .png file. And you see it shows PNG image. Now, when you did your CT underscore about, you have to be sure you save that file as a .html file. Otherwise, it's not going to work for you. Okay? So let's click on that CT underscore about, which is a HTML file that we created from scratch. I'm going to right click it. I'm going to open with, and I'm going to open it up with Chrome because I'm able to see that. All right. So all we have right now is right there in that title bar, and that says about curbside tie. Okay. So remember, that's what we just typed in here in that title tag. All right. So on page 17, let's insert the metadata. So directly after the opening head, we're going to type in meta car set. Be sure you make sure you're spelling these elements correctly, because it will mess up your page if you have any misspellings. Close off with the closing quotation mark. We're going to have a space, backslash, and the greater than sign. Then we'll have meta name equals keywords, close it off. Close it off. Content equals Thai restaurant, Charlotte, and food. Okay, close it off. All right, I'm going to indent this, so if I need to edit anything, I won't have a hard time finding this. And then I'm going to do some spacing also, so it'll make it easier for me to read. Okay, you see I have this closing head tag. I need to move that, because we're starting to get more elements on our page, and we want it to load correctly, right? We sure do. All right, so let's save that. Like I say, I'm always saving to make sure I have something to open up. All right. Right now, oh, I'm sorry. The metadata is used, so it's just a collection of keywords for curbside Thai. That's Thai, restaurant, Charlotte, and food. So see, what happens is when you're using a search engine like Google or Bing, and somebody wants to find a Thai restaurant, well, because you have in your metadata, you have the keywords. One of them is Thai. It's gonna make curbside Thai pop up as one of those top things on your list of that person's search. Or yeah, okay. So let's move on. So let's go to page 19. We're going to add this comment, and then that'll conclude session 1.1. And then in the next video, I'll show you 1.2. But let's go ahead and add these comments. So directly after, still in ct_about.html, directly after the opening tag, let's indent to make it easy. We're going to do less than sign, exclamation point, exclamation mark, 2 dashes. We're going to type new perspectives on HTML5 and CSS3 7th edition. If you get into the habit of typing, working on these tutorials before you do the assignment is going to be much easier for you to complete because you'll already have the knowledge because you've worked through the tutorials. Author, I'm going to put my name. And then I'm going to put my date. Today is what, y'all? September 18th. And then file name, my file name. This is just information for somebody that might be looking at your file, like me, or somebody that needs to go in and make corrections. At least they know, okay, this person did this out of new perspectives or had new perspectives on HTML5. You know, it's a tutorial. It's the case of Curbside Thai, and it was created by Ladonia Randall, and the file name. Okay, so let's save this, and when I return, we will be working with some page elements. All right.